Have I given any homework problems in the last class? No. Okay. Anyone check this? A B problem. Have you done this in the last class? F of ABCD equal to minterm of 1, 3, 4, 11 plus don't care 2, 7, 8, 12, 14, 15. Have you done this? I think no, right? What about this? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in terms of my maths terms? I think this is finished, right? D plus AC. Yes. Okay. Take down this question. Take down next question. Find the minimum SOP and minimum POS both. Copied. Screen is visible. Okay. I think you can find out first one, right? SOP you can do. Some of products you can do it fast. SOP you can find out, find out. Wherever the maxims are there, place 0 and group it for 1. Wherever don't cares are there, take it as X. Mute ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Sorry guys. Okay. 0 it's there, so put it 0. 1 is there, 2 is not there, 3 is don't care, 4 is not there, 5 is not there, 6 is there, 0, 7 is there in don't care, 8 is there, 9 is not there, 10 also not there, 11 is there, 12 is there, 12, 13 is not there, 14 is there, 15 is there. Okay, remaining all cells are 1. Check, is it truth table is correct? Check, truth table is correct. Okay. So is it possible to get quad? Quad is possible. Quad is possible. No. Then how many pairs are possible? What about pairs? How many pairs? Aditya saying 3 pairs. We'll check it. Okay. 3 pairs. 1, 2. So this one and this one you need to fold the gamma. So these are the pairs we got. So what about SOP form? So XOP equal to, I am going to write for this pair A bar B, A bar B, D will get cancelled, then C bar plus for this B term will get cancelled. I left out with variable A is 1. So write as it is. So here you will be getting C bar D. C bar D plus the last one, A terms will get cancelled. 0 and 1 will get cancelled. I left out with term B. So B is 0. So B dash. Your C D dash. Everybody got same? Is it answer is same for everyone? Yes. Fine. Now they asked, what about they asked another one? What about one more we need to find? They asked us to find. They asked us to find. Can't we take 1x, 1x, ma'am? Okay, I'll check it out, Lavani, once. Sorry, I didn't see. Uh, yes, Lavanya, this one we can take it as a quad. One quad also will come. One quad also will come here. Yes. Quad also possible. So here one more quad is possible. First actually we have to look for quad only, right? So quad also possible. Then plus here 0 will get cancelled. I left out with B. Here C terms will get cancelled. Then D. BD. BD. Actually without that also answer is correct because we will be getting extra term there. But according to the rules, first preference is for quad. But ma'am, what's the use of the quad when without quad also we are getting the same? Yes, Aditya, we will get one. Now if we write quad, no, we will be getting one more extra term. Okay, that is also correct. That is also correct. But our first preference, we will be looking for quad only first. First, our intention is to find out the large group. Shall we go to POS now? Any doubts in this? Aditya, are you clear? So technically both answers are correct. Yes, Aditya, both are correct. So afterwards, if you want to skip quad, you can skip also. No problem. Okay. Okay. Any idea how to find out POS? Anybody? So till now we studied only how to find the POS. Sorry, SOP. Okay. So now we are going to find POS. POS means it's a product of sum. It's a product of sum. So by default English only you can understand that PO is nothing but a product of sum. So we are going to find the product of the sums. So how to find out this? So here we will be representing max terms. So when we are going to find the SOP, we used to group it for ones, correct, right? So when we are going to find the POS, we will be looking for zeros. We will be looking for zeros is nothing but we are going to group zeros. So a reverse of SOP, that's it. Okay, here we used to group it for ones. Here we will be grouping for zeros. Here we will find out the minimum SOP. Here we will be finding minimum POS. So how to write the truth table for POS, we'll see. How to write the truth table for POS, we'll see first. So same we will be representing. So here AB, here it's CD. So here it is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Here 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Then here I'll write SOP form. So here we will take AB. Here we will take CD. Here it is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Here I will write 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So these terms we will be representing in terms of min terms, correct, right? This one we will represent in terms of min terms. So how can we represent this cell in terms of min term? So this is represented as, I'll take one more. I'll take one more and I will show. Today I am teaching how to write the truth table for POS form. Okay. So here 0000 ABCD, correct, right? ABCD. So 0000 is nothing but A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Similarly, 0001 equal to A dash, B dash, C dash, D. Similarly, 2 0010. So how we will represent A bar, B bar, C, D bar. So same way 1111 is represented as A, B, C, D. This one we know, right? Any doubts in this? Yes, complement of SOP is correct. Lavanya, still it's breaking voice. Okay. Any doubts in this? How to write the min terms? Any doubts? Reply fast. How long you people need to reply? No. So now we'll see how to write the max terms. So these we studied like a min term. Correct, right? So this we called as a min term. So now we'll see how to write the max terms. How to write the max terms? Max terms. So this also represented by A, B, C, D. Then 0000 is represented by, someone told, complement of SOP. Yes, it's correct. So how to write the complement of this? So there we used to write A bar, correct, right? Now it is A plus B plus C plus D. Okay, here we have written in terms of products. Here we have written in terms of products. Here we have used AND gate. Now here we are going to find out the sums. So here we will be using the OR gate. So next combination 0001. For 0001, how to write? A plus B plus C plus D bar. So when you are going to find the POS, wherever one is there, for corresponding variable, place the complement. Wherever 0 is there, for the corresponding variable, write as it is. There we have used AND gate. Means like product. Here we are going to use the OR gate. So that is represented by the plus. There we got the product. So we have used dot. Here we are going to find the sum. So we are going to use the plus symbol. Similarly, for combination 100 is represented by A bar plus B plus C plus D. Similarly, 111 is represented by A bar, B bar plus C bar plus D bar. Are you clear? Are you clear how to write the max terms? Any doubts in this? So people will do the mistakes here only. Okay. You people will be knowing everything to solve the problem, but where the maximum mistake you will do here is here only. So people won't be knowing how to represent the min terms and maximum. Shall we go to problem now? Now in this problem, they asked us to find the what they asked product of sum. So product of sum, same way wherever these maximums are there, place it 0. Okay, 0, 0, 1 is there, so 0, 2 is there, no, 3 is there, I say don't care, 4, 4 is not there, 5 is not there, 6 is there, 0, 7 is there, don't care, 8 there, 0, 9 not there, 10 is not there, 11 is there, 0, 12 is there, 0, 13 is not there, 14 is there, x, next 15 is x. So remaining all cells are 1. Remaining all cells are 1. K-map is same. K-map is same. Okay, if you get confused here, you can write here like 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1. If you want, you can write like this. Otherwise, write 0, 0, 0, 1 only. While writing the final answer, you can write in terms of the sums. Now, we are going to find the POS. So, what we need to group now? Can anyone answer? People are very smart. Your answers are correct. So we need to group 0. Correct, right? Quads are possible. Quad is possible. One quad is possible. Aditya is saying one quad is possible. Yes. Where we can place the quad? Can anyone mention? Where can we do the quad? Maithili? 6. What is 6, Aditya? Is it cell number? Yes. So Maithili is saying third row horizontal. Yes, it's correct. So this one I can make it as a quad. This one I can make it as a quad. So next, how many more pairs? How many pairs? One more quad. Aditya saying one more quad. Ma'am, one more quad. Okay, I'll check it out. Can you people mention the cell number? Yes. So one more quad is here. Very good. Any more quads? Is it correct? Yes. Then what about remaining zeros? What about remaining zeros? How many more pairs? Aditya saying 2 pairs. Very good. So here one pair and here one pair. Can you give me the POS form? Anyone? Can anyone write the POS form and send the answer? Lavanya, check your answer. Okay, okay. C bar plus D. It's very good. Okay, I'll write. Just verify your answer. So first let me write it for this horizontal so that I will be getting C plus C plus B. C plus B. So this is one sum mismatch term. So the second quad A term will get cancelled, left out with, sorry, this is C dash plus D dash. So second quad A terms will get cancelled. So I'll left out with B term. B is 1, so it is B bar. So here D term will get cancelled. C, so that is B bar plus C bar. B bar plus C bar. Next, this pair. So A plus B plus B term will get cancelled. C, A, B, C. For this one, B will get cancelled. A is 1, so A bar plus C plus D. Is it correct? Guys, is it correct? Yes. Any doubts in this? Guys, if you have any doubts to find out POS, you can ask. Any doubts? Then shall we move to next problem? Yes. Now take down this one. Take down this function. So they are represented in terms of midterms. Take down this function. We need to find out both POS and SOP. Take down and try to find out both SOP as well as POS. Try to solve both the forms, SOP as well as POS. You people do one thing. Take a pic and WhatsApp me. Okay, don't give the answer along with the K map. Take a pic and WhatsApp me. I want everyone to solve. Akshat, Akshat, you there? Bhuvanesh, Chaitra B, Akshat, Bhuvanesh, Chaitra B. Bhuvanesh, solve it fast and send the answer. Chaitra, you also. Harsh, Harsh, you there? Solve fast, Harsh. Send the answer. Medini Suresh, Medini Suresh. Kavya, don't send the answer here. Along with the came up, you WhatsApp me. Take a pic and WhatsApp me. Shahil, Sahil, you people there? Sahil, solve fast. Kavya. So here three products, one pair for SOP. For SOP, 2 pairs, 1 quad. I'll check other answers. Who is this number ending with 481? Lavanya. Lavanya, here you have a quad, right? Once again, why pair here? Check POS. Check POS form. Yari do 347. Don't send pic like this, I can't see. I should rotate my head and I need to check. It's 2 quads. 3 quads. No, ma'am, I don't mention it. US, sorry, ma'am. Okay, Kavi. Okay, Lavanya, fine. Arsh. Arsh, you are very smart, man. Huh? If you write like this in exam, half of the marks will go. Now itself, I am telling you for you people, for everyone. See, Arsh, how we did. So in the same K-map, we marked both QS or SOP. If you are saving your time, even we will cut your marks. So for both the methods, K-map should be separate. Okay. In a single map, don't mark both. SOP year one pair, year one quad. Fine. POS year one quad, year one quad, 2 quad. Ash, so see this 0, this don't care, this 0, this don't care. You can make one more quad instead of this as a pair. Are you clear? Instead of this pair, see 4 corners, you can fold and you can make a quad. I think POS you people are done. Sorry, SOP you people are done correctly. POS, so here also, who is that 708? Last number. See here you have done pair, right? 0, 0. This you can make a quad. 1 quad, 2 quad, 3 quad, 4 quads you will get. I think SOP everyone are done correct. SOP you people are done correct. SOP is done. SOP you will get 1 quad, 2 pairs. You want me to solve SOP or POS or both? Reply fast. SOP or POS or both? Maximum of you are done SOP correct, but still you want me to solve, I'll solve. Lavanya is saying POS. What about others? ಯಾರಿದು 3 to 6 last number? ಇದನ್ನು quad ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ. 3 to 6. This one, this don't care, this don't care, this one. This will become a quad. Okay. Even POS is wrong. See, this you can make a quad, this you can make a quad. Simply don't group. First, give your preference for quad or octa. ಇವ್ರು ಯಾರೇ ಒಂದೇ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಎರಡೂನು. Yes, this is also correct. If you quad like this also it's correct. 761. It's correct. SOP is correct. 512. Let me check this. 1, 2, 2, 3, 1 quad, 2 quad, 3 quad, 1 pair. Okay, I'll solve POS. Just check it out. POS I'll solve. You want me to solve SOP also? Guys, please reply. No, everyone asking for POS. Anyone wants SOP? Anybody wants SOP to solve? No, okay. I'll solve POS. I'll solve POS. Just listen here. I'm going to solve POS. So AB here CD 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So they are given the min terms. In these places place ones, in these places place don't care. 0 is not there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is not there, 6 is not there, 7 is there, 8 is there, 8 is there, 9 not there, 10 not there, 11 is there, 12, 13 not there, 14, 15. Okay, remaining all cells are 0. Remaining all cells are 0. So now I am going to find the POS. So when I am going to find the POS, I need to group zeros. Correct, right? Where zeros are there? Year 1 is there, 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 year 1 is there. Correct, right? So let me check octa is possible. However, octa is not at all possible. Then I will be looking for quad. So is quads are possible? Yes, quads are possible. So where can I make a quad? I can make one quad here. I can make one quad here. One more quad here. See, you can make like this also. That is also correct. Or you can make like this also. Okay. So this one, this one, this one. Still I left out with this 0. So I can make quad with this, this, this and this. So is this clear? So total I got 4 quads. So instead of this horizontal quad, if you do this also correct. Okay. It's not necessary that you should make a group like my answer itself. Instead of this horizontal quad, you can group these 4 also. Is this clear? Few people got 5 terms, so we are getting only 4 terms. Guys, grouping is clear. Any doubts in the grouping? I got 4 quads. See, you can do however the grouping you want, but at the end I should get 4 math steps. That's it. Reply, Madri. Grouping is clear. See, if you have done grouping in other way also, it's fine, no problem. But at the end, I should get 4 minimum min terms, max terms, 4 max terms. If you are done grouping like this, it's okay, no problem. No need to alter. Okay, let me write the POS form. POS equal to, I'll write for this squared first. This squared first means B term will get cancelled. I left out with A. A is 1, right as it is. A plus, then here D term will get cancelled, left out with C. C is 0, right as it is. Sorry, here A dash. A dash plus C into, I'm writing for this squared. A term will get cancelled. B is 1. So B bar plus, here C term will get cancelled. Left out with D. D is 1. So D bar into, writing for horizontal one. These 4 terms will get cancelled. Here I left out with CD. C is 1. D is 0. So it is C bar plus D. C bar plus D. So last one, this last 4 corners. So A will get cancelled. B is 0, right as it is. Here C will get cancelled, left out with D. D is 0. So it is D itself. Is it clear? If you have any doubts in this, please ask. ಇದು 5 and 2. You have done a pair here. Instead of pair, go for quad. Then you will get correct answer. A 5 and 2. Look at your answer. Why did you put plus here? Huh? Are you going to find sum of sum or product of sum? In between, you have inserted plus. Remove that. Any doubts in this? Guys, any doubts? Writing POS. Okay, right. Ma'am, can you explain again, ma'am, writing POS? Only expression or grouping, Karthik? Expression or you want grouping also? Karthik, you are asking writing POS. Okay, I'll teach you. Want me to explain complete problem or just writing the expression? Just writing the expression. Okay. See, grouping is done, right? So here we are going to write the max term. Max term is, it's like a 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 0. So you people will get confused. That's the reason this terms I didn't write. Instead of you write 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 only. So here 0 means I will be writing as it is. A plus B, A plus B bar, A bar plus B bar, A bar plus B. So here it is like a C plus D, C plus D bar, C bar plus D bar, C bar plus D. Means when you are going to write max terms or POS, wherever 1 is there, make a complement. Wherever 0 is there, write the variable as it is. Only this is the difference you should know. Okay. Next grouping is done. Now let me write it for this grouping. Let me write it for this grouping. When I am writing for this grouping, B bar, B will get cancelled. B bar, B will get cancelled. I left out with A bar plus. I left out with A bar plus. So when you see horizontal, D and D bar will get cancelled. 0 and 1 will get cancelled. I left out with C. So C is nothing but 0. 0 is nothing but you have to write as it is. So it is C. So this is one max term. Into. Take down this square. Take down this square. So you will be looking these two terms. So A and A bar will get cancelled. You are left out with B bar. So write B bar plus B bar plus. So see this. So 0, 1 will get cancelled. 0, 1 will get cancelled. Means C and Z bar will get cancelled. You are left out with D equal to 1. D equal to 1 means when you are writing POS, it is complement. Because 1 we are going to represent in terms of complement. So that is D bar. D bar. Into. I'm writing this. I'm checking this. Okay, I'm checking this. So when it is like this, all the 4 terms will get cancelled. All the 4 terms will get cancelled. I am left out with this. So what is that? C bar plus D. C bar plus D into right of last one. Last one is A bar will get cancelled. Left out with B plus here C bar will get cancelled. Left out with D. Is it clear, Karthik? Are you clear now? Karthik? Others also. What about others? Any doubts? Bhuvanesh. 017. Your answer is wrong. 017. This is correct. SOP is correct. See POS. So here you are done one quad, then horizontal quad. This one also you can make one quad. This 00XX. XX00 you can make a quad. So instead of pair, when you make a quad, one term will be less. Bhuvanesh, are you clear now? Right. Reply fast. See, we solved only one problem. In POS, can't we group 12, 13, 14, 15? I'll check once. Yusuf, I'll check once. 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, you can like this also you can do, Yusuf. Like this also you can do. See, so if it is like this, one group you will like this, you will get 0 0 0 x x x x 0 x 0. Yusuf is asking like this. Okay, see, one you can do like this, one you can do like this, two, three, four. You do however you want grouping. Last I want four parts. That's it. Okay. See, grouping you can do however you want. In SOP, all four corners we can group them. Yes, Karthik, you can. Yusuf, are you clear? SOP also we can group, Karthik. Grouping is same. All four corners also you can do. In POS, can't we group 8, 9 instead of quad 8, 9? Lata, one second.
For quality or production.
8, 9.
Someone.
0, 1, 2, 3,
Okay,
4,
and
5,
then you are
6,
the right
7.
person, I guess, if you are in production.
8, 9. 8, 9 you can do. It's like a pair, right? It's a pair.
Fine. Okay, can you share your email
Lata,
ID?
it's a pair, right?
So that we'll forward
Yes.
this
When it is possible to make a quad, why you go for pair?
Be a better,
Pair
you
means
can,
terms you will be getting 3 variables.
Okay.
Quad means you will be getting 2 variables. 3 is less or 2 is less? 2 is less. Our concentration is to find the
Okay.
minimum expressions. Are you clear? Shall we go to next problem?
Oh, okay, NDC.
Any doubts?
Okay. No. If you send your email ID, then I can share my company details to you.
Shall we move to next problem? Any doubts in this, guys? Okay. Put it on this. Find the minimal POS for the following. I think this you can take it as a homework. Take down this as a homework. Find the minimal SOP of the following. F of ABC equal to max term 0, max term 5. Write fast. This also you take homework. This also you take homework. F of ABCD equal to pi small m of 0, 3, 5, 8, 11. 1, 2, 1, 2. Don't write down the answers. Hope you people are very good. You are not copying the answers. People are good, right? You people are good or not? You people are bad. No reply at all. Then I will understand you people are not good. Take down these three as a homework and find out POS. Find POS for all these three. Finished? Good or bad ಅನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೂ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಯ್ಯೋ once you are done drop the message. Write down fast. Just write down the question. You are going to find the POS for all the three functions. So they will give the question like that. You need to find out POS or SOP both. But someone did in the same map they have grouped for both SOP and POS. Please don't do like that. Don't give any chance to deduct the marks from your side. Copy. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ರಪ್ಪ ಯಾರು ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
Hello, hi, welcome to Shobit Mishra. Shobit Mishra. Hi, this Parikshit from AWS, okay?
I didn't say you people to solve here, just copy down the questions. Done? Okay, we'll move to next problem.
Myself, Parikshit, calling from
Copy down this question. Find SOP and POS. Find SOP and POS. Here they are given the mean terms. Here they are given the mean term. Copy down this question. Write down fast. You people were asking, right, assignment questions. That first module we will discuss. If the questions are related to second module, you people start writing. Okay. Because we are waiting to discuss for both the sections together. Can anyone just write the not truth table, K-map and send? Grouping is later. Okay. Can anyone write the K-map for this? Anyone? For the question which I have given now, which is in terms of mean terms. Can anyone write the K-map? Please reply in the chat box. Can anyone write the K-map? They can give the question in any way. Reply yes or no first. Later you can solve the problem. Can anyone write the truth table for this? Not truth table. Okay, ma'am. Yes, Ananya. You write. Ananya, you write and send. What about others? What about others? Only Ananya can write. What about others? I have already explained. If the question is like that, how to convert it to truth table. So instead of truth table, here directly write the K-map. That's it. Lavanya, Karthik, Bhuvanesh, Sudhir, Yusuf, Manasa, Pranav, Jayam, Lavanya is trying. What about others? Okay. You want me to give you a hint how to write? Okay. Those who know to write, write. Those who don't know to write, listen to me. Those who don't know to write, listen to me. So here they are given minimum sum of product. Sum of product. Sum of product is nothing but in place of a bar b bar, I will be having 0. 0. I will be having 0. Those who don't know to write, listen to me. So a bar represents 0, b bar represents 0 because they are given the minterm. Where a bar is 0, b bar is 0 with irrespective of CD, place 1. If the truth table is like this, wherever A is 0, wherever B is 0, with irrespective value of CD, place 1. Place 1. Next term, C is 1, D equal to 0. C is 1, D equal to 0. With irrespective value of A, B, write the 1. A, B, C. A equal to 1, B equal to 1, C. A1, B1, C. With irrespective value of D, write the output as a 1. A bar, B bar, C, D bar. 0, 0, 1, 0. Wherever you will get the combination 0, 0, 1, 0, place 1. Next, A, B, C, D bar. A equal to 1, B equal to 1, C equal to 1, D equal to 0. For this combination, write 1. That's it. Two terms you can write directly. So these three terms you need to find. That's all. Anybody done? Maithili gave answer itself. I'm asking you people to give the K map. Maithili, totally how many ones you got? I think this is wrong. I don't know. Wait. Ananya. 8 ones. 4 plus 4, 8. People are saying, ma'am, is it correct? For POS, you are writing 481. What about SOP? First, we need to find SOP, then go for POS. See, I got this answer twice. I think this is the correct one. She gave answer also 347. 8 ones. Hemant Reddy is saying 8 ones. Okay. I'll give it truth table or K map. What do you want? Truth table or K map? Those who are facing problem to write, just listen here. Here I'll take AB. Here I'll take CD. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Correct, right? Listen here. Those who don't know to write A bar B bar. A bar B bar is nothing but A B should be 0. Correct, right? A as well as B both should be 0. So where you will get A B both are 0? The first column. The first column with irrespective value of C and D, wherever A equal to 0, B equal to 0, place 1 because they are given the mean term. Hope everyone are clear. Next is CD bar. CD bar is nothing but 1 0. Where I can find 1 0? Here. Here 1 0. With irrespective value of A and B, place ones in this row. It's there already here. So you need to place here. Next A, B, C. So A, B, C. A equal to 1, B equal to 1. A equal to 1, B equal to 1, I will get in this row. Even C equal to 1. Where you will get C equal to 1? In these two rows. Correct, right? With the respective value of D equal to D. With the respective value of D, you need to place ones in these two cells. In this cell I have. One is already there. Then you have to place in this cell. So this is done. Next, A bar, B bar, C, D bar. Wherever A bar, B bar is there, A bar, B bar, here. 0, 0 is here in this column. C, D bar, C equal to 1, D equal to 0. So here, C equal to 1, D equal D bar. It's there one already there, so no need to write. A, B, C, D bar. 1, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1 is here. 1, 0 is here. So again, this cell also already filled. So this is the truth table you will get. Or K map you will get. Everyone got it? Everybody got the same K map? Or have I done any mistake? Ananya checked. Guys, everybody got K map? Same K map? If you want to check here. If you reply fast, I can solve more problem. If you take too much of time to reply only, then how to solve the maximum number of problems? Yes. Any doubts? Guys, any doubts to convert minterms to K-map? Any doubts? No. Now write SOP and POS. SOP and POS. SOP and POS. SOP, first you need to group for ones. First you need to group for ones. So you will get 1 quad, 2 quad, 1 pair. I got few answers, let me check. ಯಾರ್ದಿದು 347 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ Yes, someone gave you SOP is correct. SOP is correct. Okay. Okay, Maithil. ಇದು ಯಾರಿದು 347 ರಿಪ್ಲೈ 347 ಯಾರಪ್ಪ 481 you asked for truth table, right? It's wrong. Are you clear? Who is this 481? I got it. Okay. Guys, everyone done with SOP? Sorry, SOP. I only given grouping. Jeevan Eman. Grouping I only gave. Just write on the answer. So here you will be getting A bar B bar plus C D bar plus A B C. So this is your SOP. SOP. POS. POS grouping I will give. Answer you people should give. I'll give the grouping. So octa is not possible. Quad is possible. One quad is here. Second quad is here. One pair. One more pair. Is the grouping correct? Is grouping correct? Grouping correct? Any doubts in grouping? I'll call your name. Oh, Rishwini gave answer. B bar C. Rishwini, it's better to send a pic because I don't know how you grouped. The grouping is like mine only. I've done grouping like me. Aditya gave A bar plus C. You sent A plus C. Let me check. With quad, right? So for this quad, you will be getting B bar plus C bar. Sorry, B bar plus C. For this quad, you will be getting A bar. B will get cancelled. C. Whose answer is wrong? Rishwini. It's A bar plus C ma. Yes, very good. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts in these problems? Any doubts in these problems? Others? So other problems I can't give it as a homework because we need to write the truth table. See, after writing expression, they will ask you people to write the circuit like this. We'll see it in the next class. Okay. Any doubts in these kind of problems? Hope everyone are clear. So only you need to concentrate on grouping and to write the POs. Same way. SOP, grouping ones. POS, grouping zeros. SOP, one represented as same variable, zero is represented as complement of variable. POS, reverse, zero as it is one complement. Somewhere in the corner of the notes, write down these three different. Then you can, no need to mug up, no need to worry. Okay. Shall we stop here? I will do one more problem. Okay, I will stop. Okay, I will stop. But no doubts, right? Okay. Ah, you need to take attendance. E-governance won't work here. Hey, it's working. I think it's not working because it's not there in the cloud. Okay, let me take attendance. 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 4 is absent. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 absent, 12 present, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 17, 18, 19 ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, 19 ಇದೆ. 20, 21, 22, 23. Next. 24 is not there. 25, 26, 26 ಇಲ್ಲ. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 33, 34, 35, 33 absent, 34 is not there, 35 is there, 36, 37, 38, 36, 37, 38, okay, 39, 40, 33 given, 40, 40, yeah, 40 is not there, 41, 42, 43, 4 given, 41, 42 ಇಲ್ಲ, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Next, 57, 58, 59, 59 ಇಲ್ಲ, 60, 61, 62, 63, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. Where were you? 59. Manasa, where were you? 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 84, 84 absent, 85, 85 also absent, 86, 86 absent, 87, 88, 89, 89 not there, 90 also not there, isn't it? Okay, okay, guys, go and have lunch. We'll meet it in the lab. Okay.